Whether you're a homeowner who experienced a sudden loss of job or income, a first-time buyer stuck with a mortgage it can no longer afford, a person who suffered a critical injury or illness and now has overwhelming medical bills, or even an investor who was unable to sell before the bubble burst, foreclosure will devastate you. A skyrocketing number of people will be ruined personally and financially now and for many years to come because of foreclosure. David is a foreclosure attorney and has been for a number of years now. Actually, he's a foreclosure attorney for the banks. And he's astounded at the overwhelming amount of people that just give up their homes at the first sign of struggle with the bank. He's represented banks in thousands of lawsuits in which he's foreclosed on houses just like yours, and he can tell you personally that the bank's case is not infallible. You can win. If you lay down for the bank and allow yourself to submit to foreclosure, not only will you be forced out of your house, but in the span of just a few months it could cost you your life savings, your retirement funds, your credit, and other family assets, not to mention your dignity. The only way to avoid losing your everything and avoid the pain and suffering that you and your family will endure during the foreclosure process is to educate yourself by learning the tricks that the mortgage companies would prefer you never know. So many people lose everything in foreclosure, only to later realize that they could have saved their house, their savings, and their credit had they only known just what to do in order to beat the banks at their own game. Foreclosure Defense Secrets will explain your rights and walk you through your options. Now you have a choice of either hiring a loss mitigation company to represent you in negotiations with your lender, which can cost you $1,200 to $2,500 or more. Attempt to resolve the mortgage problems on your own, while you risk the lender moving forward with the foreclosure anyway behind your back, or do nothing and hope the sheriff doesn't knock on your door one day and tell you to vacate your property within the next 24 hours. Or you can take matters into your own hands and follow the easy program that David has developed in Foreclosure Defense Secrets. And it'll help you to keep your home. Now, in addition to the simple step-by-step formula that David developed, he also includes all the legal forms you might need to beat the bank's attorney at his own game. In addition, David offers a 60-day, 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. David says, if after reading his report and following the simple steps that you believe he hasn't delivered on his promise, then just let him know, and he'll issue a prompt refund. No questions asked, so there really is no risk to you. Take advantage of this information and use Foreclosure Defense Secrets to beat the bank and take your life back.